2021, we launched for the first time in the field of sound a phonograph-inspired minute repeater. We have developed a sound amplification system consisting of a lever shaped like a tuning fork and a sapphire crystal plate which vibrates and creates the sound wave that escapes from the 4 acoustic channels of a titanium ring and continues its path outside the case. This sound system enables this timepiece to resound at a volume significantly greater than a minute repeater equipped with the same movement, since the wave generated is amplified by the vibrating plate.